How to make your TikTok following list private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. After you have clicked on Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy in here, which is the second option. In here, scroll down and click on Following List. After that, you'll find this option, Who can see your following list? Make sure the pink dot is in Only You. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make your TikTok following list private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.